Okay, let's try this tea. This herbal forest tea. It smells like Christmas trees and maybe a little spicy. It's not bad. It's actually pretty sweet. I think it's from the clover. It gets the sweetness from, and then it gets a lot of like wood flavor and tree flavor, Christmas tree flavor from the trees that I put in there. So this is local, organic, fair trade, and you made it yourself. Pretty sweet and a good way to start the day. Would you like to hear some fun facts about the ingredients of my herbal tea? So the red clover that I used in this tea is actually used for cancer prevention, indigestion, high cholesterol, actually a lot of things. And some women also use red clover for symptoms of menopause and breast pain, and for PMS. And yeah, it helps with asthma, bronchitis, STDs, coughing, so a lot of things. Bottoms up. Needless to say, all the ingredients in my forest garden herbal tea is there, very health beneficial, and it would be smart to have a drink like this every day. I decided to put the rest of the herbal tea on a bottle to have in the fridge and drink as iced tea. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it and that you try to make your own herbal tea. Let me know in the comments below.